Hi, I'm Rhonda and welcome back to my studio and my potter's journal for an Elliot Kiln unload. I bought, I think it's the Coyote, I think it was 2023 glaze pack because I'm taking some glazes to Sarah Hallam here in a little while. And actually by the time you see this, she'll probably already have them. So the other glazes that were in the glaze box, I was going to test. So let's open this and see what we've got. I also did some Mayco glazes on my mushroom caps and some other little things. Ooh, pretty. This is at 100 and about 30 degrees, cone 5. And this was a bee waterer that I made a long time ago off of Carlin at May Blossom Designs tutorial. And what I did is I took clear gloss glaze by Mayco and did 2 coats and then put the pink speck that is a matte finish on top of it, because supposedly if you put a clear under a matte, it'll give it just a little bit of a sheen, and it did. And then that's lemon meringue there in the middle, just 1 coat because I didn't want to lose the texture on the center of the flower. But that's pretty. I'm not a big matte person, so this was a way for me to figure out how to maybe incorporate the matte glazes in a different way. But that turned out great. Next in here is a little tester vase. I call these my dandelion vases. And this is Mayco's mood ring with the clear flux, just in little dots around the top. But look, it's so pretty. Wow, I love that glaze. I love the iridescence of it. That's very, very pretty. And then of course, the rest of this is just all different kinds of mushroom caps. Let me see. Sorry, I have to scissor my hands to pull this shelf out, and then we'll go over what is on this one. So we have the baby blue speck, which is in the new Mayco tester box. Then here, this is Enchanted Forest. I had bought it because Sousa at Handmade by Sousa used it for a mug for her mom, and it's like, I would like to see that glaze, and this is just it by itself. And all of these are 3 coats. This one here is Mayco's Tidal Wave. This one here is Mayco's Pink Speck. And these 4 here are, sorry, can't remember what they are, Lily Pad. This one here is Beetle Wing, and this one here also is Pink Speck. These will all become earrings because I'm, I guess, in my mushroom era. Have no clue. I enjoy making them, so I'm just going to keep making them until I don't make them anymore. I kind of go through phases like that. Here is another set of testers. I'm going to have to change and look because I don't remember what all of these are. These are primarily the Coyote glazes, except of course for the pink speck that's in here. This one here is Hydra Scale, 3 coats. One of this set has some light flux on it. Can't tell because I put little dots around the center. Yeah, kind of blended in. I believe this green one is Firefly Garden. This one here, I want to say, is Dragon's Eye. And this creamy colored one over here is Phoenix Egg. Or it's the reciprocal. But those actually, I like that purple. I don't have any purples in my life. I guess now I have a purple. I've got to figure out which one it is. I must put this back on. Apologize. I wasn't sure about the Coyote glazes. I didn't like how they brushed on, but I do like the results and what they've given me. Let me pull this one out. These little tiny pieces do make great test tiles. Because if they run all over the shelf and ruin your shelf, like these look like they have done, I didn't lose an entire piece. So this purple one here would be amethyst. And again, one of these sets has the white flux on it, and I can't tell. It just kind of ate it. But that's okay. This one here, the white is unicorn horn. I think this is As Your Dream. That is a very, very pretty blue. Very bold. I like that. And that would make this one Sorcerer's Stone. And I think this is Hydrascale again. And it ran all over the place. Yeah. So the Coyote sample pack came with 12 glazes. I'm taking the 2 pink ones to Sarah because they can't easily get Coyote where she's at in Stoke. So I'm just taking the small testers. That way she can try them out and see if she likes them. Yeah, I'm going to go make some earrings now. I hope that whatever you're doing, that you're having a joyous day. And I'll see you next time. Thank you for being here.